In this video, I'll show you how to manage your domain links and custom settings in System.io so your funnels look professional and branded. First, let's set up your domain. By default, System.io gives you a free subdomain. But if you want your own custom domain, go to Settings and click Custom Domains. Add your domain, then update the DNS records in your domain provider. You'll need a name record pointing www to lb.system.io. Once it's verified, you can use your branded domain for all your funnels. Next, let's clean up your funnel links. Open your funnel, select a page, and in Page Settings adjust the path, also called the slug. For example, change it to Checkout or Thank You, so your link becomes yourbrand.com/checkout. Keep slugs short and easy to remember. Finally, explore custom settings. Here you can add SEO titles, descriptions, and images for better Google ranking and social sharing. You can also add tracking codes like Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics to monitor performance. Don't forget to set a favicon for branding. With these steps, your funnel will look polished, secure, and ready to convert visitors into customers.